The Venn diagram above shows the boys in a 10th grade class who play basketball B or football F. Some students play neither sport. State how many boys play neither sport. Now, in order to determine the number of boys that play neither sport, we have to go on the outside of the two circles because these two circles show the boys who play either basketball only, either football only, or both basketball and football. So if we want to figure out the number of boys that play neither sport, we have to go on the outside of the circles, but within the box. And so that would be Alvin and Dave. That's only two boys on the outside. And so it's going to be 2. So the number of boys that play neither sport is 2 boys. The next question says, list the boys that play football only. Now, the boys who play football only are depicted on this Venn diagram right here. And this particular portion of the Venn diagram, this represents the boys who play only football. And so it's going to be Neil and Zen. These are the boys that play football only, represented on this side of the Venn diagram, Neil and Zen. Next, the question says, list the members of B intersect F. Now, B intersect F is the intersection of B and F. So that's going to be right here in the middle. And so these represents the boys who play both basketball and football. So that's Jake, Evan, and Stan. These are going to be the members in the intersection of B and F. So Jake, Evan, and Stan is the correct answer for this one. Next, the question says, find the number of elements in B union F. So we're not looking for the intersection, we're looking for the union now. And the union just means all of the elements that are in set B and all the elements that are in set F combined, but no repeats. And so that would be Mike and Dan and Ian and Trevor and Jake and Evan and Stan and Neil and Zen. These are the elements of B union F. But they want us to determine the number of elements in B union F. And so that means that we have to count how many elements are inside of B union F. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And so there are 9 elements that are in B union F. So the number of elements in B union F is 9. Next, the question says, list the members of the set B complement. B complement. Now, B complement just means everything, all of the elements that are in the universal set except for the elements in the set B. So we're going to include all the elements, but we do not include the elements that are part of set B. And so let's put an X. So we put a line on, we put these different lines to cover set B, which means that we do not want to include any of these elements. We do not include Mike. We do not include Dan. We do not include Ian. We do not include Trevor. We do not include Jake, and we do not include Evan, and we do not include Stan. But all of the other elements that are in the universal set, we can include. So we do include Neil. We do include Zen. We do include Alvin, and we do include Dave. And so that means that the members that are inside the set B complement is going to be Alvin, Dave, Neil, and Zen. And that's the elements of B complement: Alvin, Dave, Neil, and Zen.